Hi everybody, I have a message to share with you that the Lord said, is this the prayers that you pray in me? That prayers will not be answered. That prayers is selfish. That prayers is dangerous. I don't want you to pray like that. Pray humbly. Don't pray in a prideful way. Exalt me in your prayers. Do not pray directly to what you need. Thanks for watching my videos and God bless you all. Bye.